Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 5 best socket sets that you should buy. Let's get started. First up is the DEWALT 34-piece socket set. Featuring a 72-teeth ratchet with a 5-degree arc swing, this 34-piece socket set comes with a locking and stackable case with a removable inner tray. Each socket is clearly identified with hard stamped markings, and everything included exceeds ANSI specifications. The tools in this socket set have a polished chrome vanadium finish for durability, while nailed rings make handling the sockets easier. The company provides a full lifetime warranty with this kit. Second on the list is the EPAuto 40-piece socket set. This 40-piece socket set includes a 3/8-inch drive, 72-teeth reversible ratchet constructed from hardened and treated chrome vanadium steel. Ensuring the tools are resistant to corrosion is a chrome-plated and mirror-polished finish, and all of its contents come in a sturdy plastic case that makes it convenient for transporting or simply storing it in your garage or trunk. Third up is the CRAFTSMAN 193-piece mechanics. If you are looking for a more comprehensive socket set, this recommendation is a 193-piece kit that includes a 1/4-inch, 3/8-inch, and 1/2-inch drive ratchets. Backed by the company's lifetime warranty, these tools feature a full polished chrome finish for corrosion resistance and come in a durable blow molded case. They meet or exceed ASME specifications and come from one of the most well-known brands within the tool industry. Next up is the Amazon Basics socket set. For this recommendation, you can choose between 123 pieces or 145 pieces. The tools feature a chrome vanadium steel forged construction for torque, strength, and durability, while a polished chrome finish makes them resistant to corrosion. The included ratchets feature a quick release switch and reversible mechanism for easy operation. Last but not least is the Tecton Deep Impact socket set. For those who are using impact tools, this is our recommendation for deep impact sockets. Choose from SAE standard or metric sizes for these high torque 6-point sockets with an extra deep broach to accommodate longer fasteners. Constructed from high-strength chrome vanadium steel, these deep impact sockets are more resistant to drive and round out compared to standard impact sockets. They meet or exceed ANSI standards and feature a black phosphate finish for durability. The laser-etched size markings are easy to read even in low light. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.